How to create sexual tension with women naturally. Avoid gimmicks and cheap tricks. Build authentic attraction instead. This is a seduction thread. 1. Act like she already wants to fuck. When you act like there's already sexual chemistry and vibe between you and her, there's a high chance she will get influenced by you and follow along to see where your fun interactions go. 2. Don't focus on what flirty things to say, focus on genuinely being flirty. The more you think about using the right words, the more logical you act. And sexual tension was never logical. 3. Flip her minor tests into flirting. Boys get flustered by tests and men use tests as opportunities to accuse women of flirting. You can only do that if you don't take her or her beauty seriously. 4. Don't be afraid to be called toxic or arrogant. No man has ever gotten his pen sucked for being sweet. Humble and friendly. 5. Physically escalate as soon as possible. Your words can only do so much. At some point, you have to get her physically attracted to you by initiating touch. Do it subtly and gently and she might reciprocate. 6. Give her instructions as soon as possible. Don't be the guy who sits there and waits for fun to just happen. She's the one who wants things to just happen, and your job is to make things happen. Tell her what you want her to do to enjoy being with you. 7. Reframe sex with you as a gift for her, not a reward for you. When you get touchy and she reciprocates, tease her playfully, accuse her of being attracted to you. Women, especially hot ones, are not used to a fun man who believes he's a prize. 8. Create intrigue, not rapport. Rapport is for friendship and intrigue is for attraction. Women don't have to know about your life to sleep with you. 9. Present yourself as an attractive man, not a guy who is trying to be attractive. 10. Don't follow her lead. The more she tries to get you to follow her lead, the more she invests in you without realizing. Let her keep failing at controlling you while you poke fun at her for trying. It'll add to the tension between you. 11. Be present in your interactions. Forget the outcome or how she might respond. You can never build attraction genuinely if you are worried about whether or not you will succeed. You can never organically segue convos into sexual topics unless you're focused on the present. 12. Be dominant, not forceful. 13. Be confident, not entitled. 14. Be fun, not goofy. 15. Be sexual, not desperate. 16. Create the sexual vibes with your body language first. Your eye contact and voice alone communicate your sexual energy more than your words ever will. You could be saying some regular stuff to a woman, but if you get that sexually charged body language and tone right, she'll have no option but to see you in a sexual way. Because this is the only way you presented yourself to be, learn the specifics on how to subtly communicate that dominant sexual energy with your body, voice, and eye contact. 17. Give her space and time. Pursue and flirt too. Don't be the guy who keeps the convo going because you're afraid of losing her. Let her think about what to say and put effort into flirting with you too. 18. Don't talk unless there's a reason to. You're either flirting, giving her instructions, or asking her questions that engage her emotions. Don't talk for the sake of talking. It ruins the sexual energy. Let her do all the talking and investing. 19. If she resists, never get butthurt. Some women will reject or slow down your physical advances. That is fine and you should never take it personally. The moment you get butthurt, she gets completely turned off. 20. Don't be afraid to make fun of her. Do it in a respectful and playful way. When you are able to tease her and make fun of her, you make it easier for you and her to flirt with one another even more. At some point, you'll end up with her in bed. You don't want to give her a disappointing experience after all this smooth talking.